Introducing the Galaxy Platinum Series Wi-Fi Video Doorbell. The NDB322-W Wi-Fi Video Doorbell can ensure you a reliable protection at your doorstep. You can enjoy high-quality video chat with visitors and keep an eye on what's happening at your front door right through your phone. The NDB322-W is a powerful video doorbell with built-in artificial intelligence capability. Features with 170-watt vertical of view and 5 meters night vision, you can see every detail you need. Main features: Full HD 1080p resolution, AI-powered human detection, two-way talk, H.265 video technology, SuperFav 170 vertical, 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz dual-band Wi-Fi, night vision up to 5 meters, 16 feet, micro slot for local storage up to 256 gigabytes. Thanks for watching.